Are you accidentally killing your plants with these common April gardening mistakes? Most beginners don't even realize they're making these errors until it's too late. Today, I'll show you the top 5 April gardening mistakes and exactly how to fix them. Watch till the end, because the last tip will save you tons of time. Mistake 1. Planting too soon. When the weather gets warm, we all want to start planting right away. But one late frost can destroy your plants overnight. Those young seedlings you worked so hard to grow, gone in one cold night. First, check your area's last frost date. You can find this online. If you're excited to start early like me, use frost blankets or even old sheets to protect plants. Better yet, start seeds indoors first. Mistake 2. Giving too much water. April brings lots of rain, and adding more water can actually drown your plant's roots. Many gardeners think more water means faster growth, but too much causes root rot. Always check the soil before watering. Push your finger 1-2 inches into the dirt. If it feels wet, don't water yet. Also, make sure your pots and garden beds have holes for drainage. If water sits on top, mix in some sand or small rocks to help water flow through. Mistake 3. Not checking for bugs. Small bugs like aphids and caterpillars multiply very fast in spring. A few bugs today can become hundreds next week. Look under leaves every few days. For safe pest control, use neem oil spray, works great. Try ladybugs, they eat bad bugs. Make homemade garlic spray, bugs hate it. Important, remove any sick plants right away, they attract more bugs. Mistake 4. Planting in cold ground. Even if the air feels warm, the soil might still be too cold. Seeds planted in cold dirt will either rot or grow very slowly. Buy a simple soil thermometer. Most plants need soil at least 50-60 F, 10-15 C to warm soil faster. Cover with black plastic for a few days. Use raised beds. They warm up quicker. Start with cold-resistant plants like lettuce or peas. Mistake 5. Not preparing indoor plants for outside. Plants grown indoors are like people who stay inside all winter. They need time to get used to the outdoors. Putting them straight outside can shock and kill them. Fix: follow this 7-10-day plan. First 3 days, put plants outside in shade for 2-3 hours. Next 3 days, give them morning sun, then bring them inside. After 1 week, leave them out longer, but protect them from strong sun. Extra tips for a great garden. Test your soil. Cheap test kits show what your plants need. Pick the right plants. Tomatoes need heat. Lettuce likes cooler weather. Use mulch straw or wood chips. Keep the soil moist and stop weeds. Water deeply. Give lots of water 2-3 times per week instead of a little every day. Keep notes. Write down what works so next year is even better. Avoid these 5 mistakes and your garden will be the best on the block. Which tip helped you most? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more gardening tips every week. Happy planting, everyone!